mae'n hyfryd cael bod yma efo chi yng Ngheredigion ar fore o Wanwyn fel hyn ac i gefnogi ymgyrch fendigedig Penri James ac hefyd os gael dweud i rannu llwyfan am y tro cynta yn enw Plaid Cymru efo cyn ysgrifennydd gwladol Cymru Davies. Dyn ni yma i gefnogi Penri James heddiw am reswm gwbl amlwg oherwydd bod rhaid ni gael tîm cynyddol i gynrychioli buddiannau Cymru yn San Steffan. A dydy hynny erioed wedi bod yn fwy pwysig. Mae'n bwysig i bobl Ceredigion bod gennyn nhw aelod sy'n mynd i cynrychioli i cymuned nhw, a'i milltir sgwâr nhw, a'i buddiannau nhw. Ond mae'n bwysig hefyd bod gennym ni nifer cynyddol o aelodau yn San Steffan fel bod buddiannau Cymru yn cael ei wthio i fyny yr agenda wleidyddol yn Llundain. A mi na i ddweutha chi pan bod hynny mor bwysig yn yr etholiad yma. Efo Senedd Grog ar y gorwel, mae'n bwysig fod na nifer fawr o aelodau seneddol o Plaid Cymru a'n chwaer blaid yr SNP yn yr Alban yno i ymladd am yn buddiannau ni. Mae'n gwerthoedd ni, mae'n gweledigaeth ni o'r math o gymdeithas da ni eisiau weld yma yng Nghymru yn wahanol i'r pleidiau eraill. Mae yna gonsensws, fel da ni wedi clywed yn barod, rhwng y tair blaid arall, y tair blaid Llundeinig. Mae nhw enghraifft weitha ydy'r wasgiad gweitha ers yr ail ryfel byd yn credu bod buddsoddi yn Trident yn bwysicach y buddsoddi mewn pensiynau heb bobl. A mae'r rhaid i ni wneud yn glir. What we have to make it clear in this election is that our values and our priorities are different. In a time of economic recession, the three main London parties are united that having nuclear weapons is more important than a decent pension for our elderly people. They also know, now then, the other thing of course is this, that they all are talking about big cuts. They're talking differently. The Liberal Democrats, for example, are talking about savage cuts hitting the Welsh economy. Where is that going to fall? That's going to fall in Ceredigion with our schools and our hospitals and our jobs. That's what's going to happen to the cuts from the London parties. We will be the only party going into this Westminster election with the interests of Wales first, second and third on our priority list. That's the priority that we have. And in this election, with our sister party in the SNP, there will be a big Celtic bloc of members of Parliament who will have a different set of priorities and values. I am here today because I want Penri James to join them. I want him to be the next Member of Parliament for Ceredigion. I want him to be sent as the champion for Ceredigion, but a Member of Parliament working with his colleagues to secure a good deal for Plaid Cymru. And our message, as you take it out, with 12 days to go in this election, the biggest vote for Plaid Cymru in this election will mean the best deal that Wales will ever have in Westminster, because we will always put Wales first. Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi, ac ymlaen y brwydyr.